my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly,
Well, looks like my chickens are in the tree for the night. All in there. I don't know why they prefer to sleep in a tree rather than in the coop where they're supposed to be, but they prefer the tree for some reason. See? There's one up there. It's all cozy and comfortable. Got some up there. They're all comfortable in there. Got one above my head. There's even one over there somewhere. I don't know if you can see her, but yeah, she's up there too. So yeah, ain't really much I can really do about it. But they prefer a tree rather than a coop. So okay, it's fine by me. Good night, girls. See you in the morning.